Morning, everybody. I have two challenges for you. Um, so we just enabled the ability for students to add comments to all these assignments. And what I challenge you to is to use this as a way to, one, identify things that you disagree with, things that you think you're being taught that you either just don't believe or you would challenge that there's an alternate truth, right? I challenge you to identify that. In any of these assignments, if you are reading or learning about something or watching about something and you think that you disagree with it, I challenge you to add that in a comment to that assignment, right? So that we can get a little discussion going about that. The other way that I would love to see you add a comment to these assignments is if you feel that there's a way that other cultures might teach this differently, right? Or if there's a concept where other cultures might approach it differently. So let me just summarize those two. They're each a challenge for you. One, I want you to try to identify things that you disagree with in the lesson or in the material, things that you think could be taught differently. That's one. Two, if you feel like there's a concept that would be approached differently by other cultures, I want you to try to identify that and explain what you mean. Because I think both of those things could really add to the full value of what we're learning, right? So again, identify things you disagree with, so that's number one. Number two, identify ways that other cultures might teach or approach that topic differently. I really hope you guys can find either of those two things, and I challenge you to add these as a comment. Now again, part of this is practicing critical thinking and communication. Critical thinking just to be able to identify those things, and then communication is your ability to add it here in a way that is appropriate to class. And by that I mean, don't be mean, don't be rude, just be clear and assertive in a way that you can get your ideas across without having to hurt other people's ideas. So this is a challenge. I hope that some of you will step up to it and find things that you disagree with or things that other cultures might approach differently. I'm excited to see what you guys find.